Hello kids, welcome to Sheng Lessons. How are you today? I hope everything's fine. Today, we are going to learn different kinds of vegetables in each category. Are you ready? Let's go! Remember, these categories provide a broad classification of vegetables based on their characteristics, growth patterns, and culinary uses. Each category includes several different vegetables with their own distinct features and nutritional benefits. Okay? First category, leafy green vegetables. This category includes vegetables with edible leaves that are often rich in nutrients and have a slightly bitter or earthy flavor. They are excellent sources of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals and antioxidants. Spinach belong to this category. It's delicious. Kale. Wow, it has a unique pattern on its leaves. Same with lettuce. Swiss chard. It has a red stalk. Collard greens. Cruciferous vegetables. These vegetables are packed with fiber, vitamin C and K, folate, and various phytochemicals. They have a distinct flavor and can be enjoyed raw, steamed, roasted, or stir-fried. What are those vegetables under this category? Wow, the broccoli! Cauliflower. Cabbage. Looks so fresh. Mmm. Brussels sprouts. It's so cute. It's so small. Bok choy. Root vegetables. Root vegetables grow underground, and their edible parts are usually the roots or tubers. They provide substantial amounts of carbohydrates, dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Root vegetables can be roasted, mashed, boiled, or used in stews and soups. Carrots is under this category. Potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Radishes. It has two different colors, the red and the white. Beets. Allium vegetables. Allium vegetables belong to the onion family and are known for their distinctive flavors and aromas, often used as flavoring agent in various dishes and provide health benefits due to their sulfur compounds and antioxidants. Under this is onions. It can make you cry. Garlic. Shallots. Leeks. Scallions. Next is the nightshade vegetables. These vegetables come in a variety of colors and have a range of flavors from sweet to spicy. Nightshades are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and they are used in a wide range of cuisines. Under this category is tomatoes. Bell peppers. Eggplant. Potatoes. It's the second category of potatoes. Chili peppers. So hot. Cucurbitaceous vegetables. Cucurbitaceous vegetables are characterized by their trailing vines and include cucumbers, squash, and melons. Cucumbers. I love to eat it raw. Squash. Zucchini. Pumpkin. Cantaloupe. And the watermelon. So yummy! Next is the legumes. Legumes are plants that produce pods containing edible seeds or beans. Legumes are excellent sources of plant-based protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are commonly used in soups, stews, salads, and vegetarian dishes. Beans are legumes. Peas. Lentils. Soybeans. Next is the edible bulbs. This category includes vegetables that grow as underground bulbs or bulb-like structures. They add flavor and aroma to various dishes and provide health benefits due to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. One of these is fennel. Shallots. It's the second category of shallots. Garlic. Second category too. And also the onion. Next is tubers. Tubers are thickened underground stems that store nutrients for the plants. They are versatile in ingredients, used in a wide range of dishes, and provide carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Under this is potatoes. It's the third category of potatoes. Sweet potatoes. Yams. And taro. My favorite flavor in milk tea. Other varieties. This category encompasses various vegetables that do not fit into the previous categories. These vegetables offer unique flavors, textures, and nutritional profiles and can be used in diverse recipes. One of these is asparagus. I loved asparagus. Artichokes. Corn. Mushrooms. It's the oyster mushroom. Okra. Keep in mind that there are many more varieties within each category, each with its unique traits and culinary uses. Incorporating a variety of vegetables into your diet is a great way to ensure you get a wider range of essential nutrients. Be healthy, kids! Eat vegetables. It will make you strong and healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please like our video.